1 year ago, this video series was canceled. The last time I was here, I baked chicken. This time, we're bringing something different today. We're cooking steak.
Living on your own is the hardest thing in life. Step 1 to maintain stability is being able to cook. We made progress, but we're a long way to go. The journey to becoming my best chef is right here. I'm MTBlackShadow, and welcome to Cooking in the Shadows.
Now, I know what you all are going to say. This guy, Chef Shadow here, is just going to pan fry steak out of it. No. I'm baking it and then I'm frying it. Okay, to start off with, I'm not just cooking steak on its own. I'm actually going to serve it with rice. So, first thing on my mind, I'm going to go ahead and get the rice started first. Pour it in just like this. That should be enough rice. Now I got my rice I washed. Usually just wash it. That way you can get all the dirt and stuff out of it, or rice powder, whatever. Personal tip I have in mind is do not wash the rice with warm or hot water. Okay, and rice should be done. Prepared. I'll just go ahead and throw this in. Little bit of oil, and then sprinkle in some salt. Put the lid back on, and then let it start cooking. Just like I said in the last season for Cooking in the Shadows, always make sure you're cleaning up your mess. Alright, so while the rice is cooking, now we can go ahead and get started on our steak. Now here I have the USDA Choice Ribeye Steak. I'll be basting it with butter and with a bit of rosemary during the bit while I actually pan fry this thing. So I'm going to go ahead is open this butter here and then put it in a bowl because I'm going to melt it and smear it on the steak. To melt the butter, I'll be putting on a wet paper towel. Just like that. And just like that, butter is melting. Okay, and the butter is melted. So now we have the steak on this baking pan. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this brush, kind of soak it up a little bit with the butter, and then I'll smear it on the steak. Just like that. This is called basting. A lot of people on YouTube cooking like to baste their steak. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the sides too while I'm at it. And when one side is done, I'll go and flip this over and baste the other side. Hold on 1 second. You're not supposed to be jumping on me while I record my videos. Stop. Probably at the end of this video, I'll introduce y'all to them. 3 dogs actually are in this house. Right, just as you can see, completely basted. I'm going to improvise, actually. So I'm just going to drop a bit of rosemary on top, right there, and then I'm going to pop this in the oven.
Twenty minutes later.
Okay guys, and we are back. Obviously I got the fan running, pan is warmed up. Steak is done, so come back and see. Obviously you can see the steak is not totally done, but that's fine. That's what the pan is for. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. Medium right there. It's going to get warm pretty easily. Before we actually put the steak on the pan, I'm going to go ahead and season this up with the Kinder's all-purpose seasoning. Really good flavor. I like to put it on French fries. So I'm going to decently sprinkle this on the steak. Alright guys, moment of truth. Steak is done, rice is done, everything's on the plate. Let's go and give this a try. Perfect. Gives like a barbecue kind of taste to it. The seasoning I put on, really, really good. I can taste that butter in there. I'm gonna try the rice. It's perfect. You guys already know I'm giving this steak and rice a 10 out of 10. I would call this a good success for Cooking in the Shadows Revival. Let me know what y'all think I should cook next. Season 2 has got a lot to offer. Time right now is about 2 o'clock. This took a while. Thank you for joining me in another Cooking in the Shadows. Make sure you guys go share and hit the like button. Subscribe today. Join the Cage Club. I'll see y'all next time. I am the MTBlackShadow.